One day, Nobi found a strange object in the middle of the forest. He immediately told his best friend Cowy about it.
Look at that! It's huge! Maybe it's an excavator left over from the palm oil land clearing.
An excavator? Let's go check it out.
But first, we have to open the cover. Come on, Nobi, let's pull it together.
1, 2, 3, pull! Whoa, what kind of thing is this, Cowy? iHOME? What is an iHOME? That's not an excavator, Nobi. It's an old iHOME model iD83 speaker dock. Wow, you sure know a lot, Cowy. How about we try out this sound horrig? Alright, Nobi. Let's try to turn it on.
I will fight for you. I always do until my heart is black and blue. And I will stay with you. We'll make it to the other side like lovers do. I'll reach my hands out in the dark and wait for yours to, until I can wait for you. I'll wait for you. I'm not giving up, no, not yet. Even when I'm down on my last breath, even when they say there's nothing left, so don't give up on me. I'm not giving up, no, not me. Even when nobody else believes, I'm not going down that easily, so don't give up on me. Especially me. Sister, you've got it all. You make the call to make my day. In your message, say my name. Your talk is all the talk. Sister, you've got it all. Curl your upper lip up and let me look around. Ride your tongue along your bottom lip and bite down. And bend your back and ask those hips if I can touch. Cause they're the perfect jumping off point. Getting closer to your butterfly. We float on by. Oh, kiss me with your eyelashes tonight. Oh, rest upon your nose real close to mine. And let's move the heights and finally make it right. But if you don't hold it, you don't fade. You got everything you need, especially me. Sister, you've got it all.
Well, it's not far down to paradise. At least it's not cold. If the wind is right, you can sail away. Find tranquility. Oh, the canvas can do miracles. Just you wait and see. Believe me. It's not far. It's never end. Reason to pretend. If the wind is right, you can find the joy. Play innocence again. Oh, the canvas can do miracles. Just you wait and see. Believe me.
'cause they're the perfect jumping off point, getting closer to your butterfly. We float on by. Oh, kiss me with your eyelashes tonight. Oh, Eskimo, your nose real close to mine. And let's move the lights and finally make it right. But you don't fold, you don't fade. You got everything you need, especially me. Sister, you've got it all.